800. A safety information card is located in your seat back pocket. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. Pull the loose end to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Loosen that seatbelt low and tight across your hips and wear anytime you are seated. There are 8 emergency exits on board, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overwing window exits to exit doors in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor lead to exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest underneath your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull on the red tab to open the container, remove the pouch. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, buckle in front, and then pull it tight. Once outside the aircraft, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest and maintain inflate below to the tube at your shoulder. There is a light that will come on automatically in the water. For information on infants and life vests, check out that safety information card. Flight attendants will distribute additional life vests as needed. We're coming through the cabin to check that your seatbelts are fastened. Seat back and tray table are in the full upright and locked position. All those carrying items are stowed. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on board, including the lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts, smoking, and face masks. We will be dimming the cabin lights for departure. If you need a extra reading light, press the button above you with a light bulb on it. Face coverings are required for all phases of flight today over your nose and mouth. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing your mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're driving with children or anyone needing special assistance, place your mask on first. If you brought on your own alcohol, it is not permitted to be used during flight. Please keep that stowed away in your bag. Flight attendants are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Sit back, relax, enjoy your 2-hour and 20-minute flight over to Phoenix. Welcome aboard.